Seven daily habits to speak English fluently. Hi everyone, I'm Isha, and welcome back to Learn English with Isha. Have you ever wondered why some people improve their English so fast while others stay stuck for years? The secret isn't talent. It's daily habits. Today, I'll share 7 simple daily habits that can help you speak English confidently. Let's begin. Habit 1. Think in English. Isha. Stop translating every sentence from your native language. Instead, start thinking directly in English. For example, instead of thinking, मैं पानी पीना चाहता हूँ, think, I want to drink water. This small habit makes a huge difference. Habit 2. Read for 10 minutes. Isha. Read English every day. It could be a story, news article, or even Instagram captions. Reading helps you learn new vocabulary naturally. Habit 3. Speak out loud. Isha. Don't just read silently. Read aloud. Your mouth needs practice just like your brain. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Habit 4. Learn 5 new words. Isha. Every day, learn just 5 new English words. Then make your own sentences. For example, amazing. Today was an amazing day. Success. Hard work leads to success. Simple, right? Habit 5. Watch English videos. Isha. Watch English YouTube videos or TV shows with subtitles. Listen carefully to pronunciation. Try repeating what the speaker says. Habit 6. Talk to yourself. Isha. This may sound funny, but talking to yourself in English is one of the best exercises. Describe what you're doing. For example, I'm making breakfast. Now I'm going to work. I'm feeling happy today. It really works. Habit 7. Never be afraid of mistakes. Isha. Remember, nobody speaks perfect English on the first day. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. Speak anyway. Practice anyway. Keep improving every single day. So, these were the 7 daily habits that can completely change your English speaking skills. Start with just one habit today and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below. Which habit will you start today? Thanks for watching. I'm Isha, and I'll see you in the next English lesson. Bye.